Boys and girls, men and women, welcome back to the channel. I know y'all saw the video asking rich millionaire men if they prefer a stay-at-home wife or a woman that makes her own money. Today we're gonna switch it around. We're gonna ask women, do they want to be a stay-at-home wife, mother, or would they rather make their own money? Over here on SNEWJ'S, we're always unique with our questions in our videos. We're not like everybody else doing the same videos with these millionaires staging their so you guys are up for a treat. To all the women out there, do you prefer to be a stay-at-home wife, mother, or would you rather make your own money? Also, if there's anybody out there that wants to collaborate and solidify partnerships daily with other millionaires, other like-minded individuals, join my private community, link in the bio. What do you do for a living?
I work in cybersecurity.
Okay, how long you been doing that for?
Well, I've been working in data for over 10 years.
Okay.
This is my first time in cyber. So.
Okay, nice. Now, how much can one make per year doing what you do?
Let's see. You can make at least 150,000 probably in a remote role.
Now, how can one get into your position, like do cybersecurity?
Yeah.
Do you have to go through the years of experience beforehand?
You need certifications.
Okay.
So going and you don't have to go to school, which is a good thing, but it's nice if you have an engineering background. But otherwise, you can go get certifications that cost about $500 each.
Okay, $500 each. Okay.
I started in data though, so I don't have any of those. I was fortunate enough to learn.
Got you. Okay, so data, then you got your certs, and then you just like join the right company, and then they just
The right role,
okay,
right time, right place.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Now, last question: would you prefer being a stay-at-home wife, mother, or would you rather make your own money?
I'd rather make my own money. Yeah, I do things on the side with investing and side hustles, if you will, because I think financial freedom is really important, especially for people of color.
What do you do for a living?
I work right over there. You're a collective.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. How long you been there for?
About 3 months.
3 months.
I've been working in eyewear for a long time.
Okay, for sure. Now, how much can one make per year doing what you do?
How much do I make?
Yeah.
About 70.
70? That's pretty damn good. Only 3 months in, huh?
Yeah.
Now, how do you get into something like that?
Well, the first thing you would want to do is get licensed, be an optician, so you kind of get paid for both besides selling.
Oh, so you have to get licensed preferred.
Yeah.
Okay.
And know how to talk to people. It's just all sales.
Okay, for sure. Do you need to be good with social media, or that doesn't really matter?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, now last question. Would you prefer being a stay-at-home wife, mom, or would you rather make your own money?
Stay-at-home wife.
Why is that?
I like traditional things. I'll do the cleaning and the cooking. It's all good.
And raise the family?
Yeah.
I feel it. What do you do for a living?
I'm in sales.
Sales. What do you do in sales exactly?
I sell adhesives.
Oh, really? Okay. How long you been doing that for?
About a year and a half.
Year and a half. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
How much can one make per year doing that? Best year?
Maybe a couple 100,000.
Couple 100,000. It's pretty good.
That is pretty good.
Now, how can one get into that? In your position, make that type of money?
Just comes with experience, I guess. Product knowledge, I'd say, is most important.
Okay, so did you join a company first, and then you got the sales job, or is it referrals, or what is it?
Referrals.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then experience.
And experience. Yes.
Got you. Now, last question: would you prefer being a stay-at-home wife, mom, or would you rather make your own money?
I'd rather make my own money.
Why is that?
I'd rather be independent than anything else. I don't want to rely on someone else. That sounds awesome.
How you doing? I'm Snewj.
Leanne, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Leanne. What do you do for a living?
Well, I have a CPA license, but I work mostly remotely from home.
Okay.
I have 6 kids, so.
Okay, cool. Now, how long you been doing that for?
Well, working from home, you mean, or?
Well, CPA.
So I graduated college in 1994.
Okay.
I got my CPA license probably 2 years later.
Okay.
Maybe a year and a half, something like that.
Now, how much can one make per year doing what you do?
500,000, 800,000.
Wow.
But if you're just doing it remotely, part-time, it's a lot less.
Can you still hit the 6 figures mark with that?
Probably.
Do you prefer being a stay-at-home mom, wife, or would you rather make your own money?
Both. I prefer staying at home, and all my kids, my youngest are almost 18 now, so I've pretty much raised them.
Yeah, it's because of you. Yeah, the hardest job in the world.
Yeah,
so
it was challenging. I feel like being a mom is probably one of my most important jobs.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a paralegal.
Okay, cool. How long you been doing that for?
2 years.
2 years. You like it?
Depends on the day.
How much can one make per year doing that?
100
over 100,000.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Depends
Okay.
how high up you go.
Now, how can one become a paralegal? You have to go to school, or?
You can work under an attorney for a certain amount of years, or you can get go to school and get a certificate for it, which is what I did.
Okay, cool. Now, last question. Would you prefer being a stay-at-home wife, mother, or would you rather get your own money, make your own money?
Oh gosh.
There's no right or wrong answer.
I would want to work because I want to, not because I have to.
Okay.
So I want to work because I enjoy it, not because I'm like struggling to.
I see.
And I'm like living paycheck to paycheck. Because some days I hate work, sometimes I like it. Yeah, it just depends on the day, honestly. I don't know.
Yeah. If the opportunity ever came up where like the guy that you're with is your sole provider, would you mind being, you know, like, or would you still want to work?
In the beginning, I would want to stay at home. But eventually, like, when the kids get older, I might want to sit at home all day.
I feel it.
Yeah. So maybe when you're younger, but then as you get older, I think I would like to go back to work.
Gotcha.
Maybe not full time.
Yeah. Just something to keep you sane.
Something to keep me going. Also, baby talk can get awful.
No, I feel it. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. What do you guys do for a living?
I actually am starting a new job for a tax company.
Okay.
They give like tax relief to those that owe money to the IRS.
Okay, congrats to that.
I'm a pediatric nurse.
How much can you guys make per year in your position?
In my position, probably like 45 to 50.
And then how about you?
Best year, like easily 6 figures.
6 figures, okay. To get in your position right now, what did you have to do exactly?
I had a range of different positions before, but you definitely have to have good customer service skills. Just basically working with people, good communication, obviously.
Okay.
So you just kind of have to sell yourself.
Got you. No, I understand, yeah. And then how about you?
Like the easiest way to become a registered nurse, I guess everyone just has to go through nursing school. Yeah.
Any like tips to like get through all the studying, the challenges?
I think just realize it's temporary and like your career is a lot longer than the struggle of school is. So you can get past the 2-3 years of nursing school, then you have your lifetime career.
Would you guys prefer being a stay-at-home wife or make your own money?
I think there's a fine line with that. Of course, you know, I feel like people would love to just not work these days, but at the same time, I feel like I would just get over it and want to make a living of my own also.
Yeah. You'll get bored, you're saying?
I would get very bored. I think so.
I know, I feel it. How about you?
I think if I could find a way to balance both, I would like it. In my career, I work 3 days a week is full time.
Okay.
It's like 12.5-hour shifts. And then I have 4 days off. So I kind of get like the best of both worlds where I can like grocery shop and do all the things that I want to do at home,
see.
but then also like have my career.
Got you. What do you do for a living?
I actually do ministry.
Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. How long you been doing that for?
About 2 years now.
Like in terms of like the business side of things in ministry, it's non-profit.
It's donation based.
Donation based. I've always been curious about like financials. So what is like an example of someone in your position, like how much would you get donated to you or what percentage?
So I would say I don't know if mine would be the best for this sort of thing, but it's truly I rely on the Lord and I rely on Him getting my page, my Instagram to the right people.
I feel it, yeah.
Speaking through me, you know, by way of the Holy Spirit and being able to be authentic and true and get His work done.
Absolutely. Would you prefer being a stay-at-home wife and mother, or would you rather make your own money?
I'm saying, I guess I would prefer to be, because again, I believe that women is supposed to be at home as well. I believe we're supposed to not be, you know, hitting the streets and whatnot. But that's not really my situation right now. So, you know, instead of sitting back and being idle, I'm pushing for the Lord. And then I believe He's going to bring that person for me.
Yeah, no, I feel that. So you rather be a stay at home, take care of the kids, raise the family.
Cook,
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What do you do for a living?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you do when you because you're
Normally I work in my country.
Oh.
But here I am.
You're just visiting?
No, just come to here 1 year ago.
Oh, 1 year ago. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let me ask you this question. Would you prefer being a stay-at-home wife and mother, or would you rather make your own money?
Yeah, actually I make my own money.
What would you prefer?
Yeah, I prefer this one.
Oh, make money.
Yeah.
Why is that?
For better life.
Better life.
This thing don't make any sense. I buy her a nurse and pay off her rent. Give her my love, she don't answer my text. Done this before, hate the girls I select. You say that you love me, but see